there, it's Ashley from WTI. Recently we went on a cruise and I am really happy I got these lanyards from Koorito. They worked out great. They have different patterns and colors here. You have a true blue and green, a green and orange, and then a yellow and blue. So each of us got a different lanyard, and then the cruise cards go right inside this pocket here. It does have a Ziploc type closure and it easily slips in, and it has a clasp right here at the top that you can simply take off if you want to take your cruise card off like this. But more convenient than that is the ability for it to detach right here. And this is so important because oftentimes the customer service restaurants will need this to scan, and you don't have to remove the whole lanyard from your neck. So these worked out really well for us. They're really well made, very comfortable around your neck. They don't stretch, which I really like that fact, and it fit perfectly around all of us. Pretty colors, great product. I would certainly buy it again, and I'm happy that I had these because we wore them the entire trip. But that's just my point of view.